Top secrets for a long and healthy life. Studies around the world have shown that regions where people live longer have lots of things in common. But that doesn't mean that moving to one of those regions will guarantee you a long and healthy life. But you can apply their lifestyles to your own life and implement the habits of those who live to a ripe old age. Here's what you need to do to give yourself the best chance of living a longer, healthier life. Limit your calorie intake to a moderate level and avoid overeating. Avoid drinking too much alcohol, but moderate levels of wine is fine. Food does affect our health, so that is why finding the right diet for us is essential for a long and healthy life. No surprise here, but staying physically active can add years to your life and keep you healthy and well. Physical activity is considered by many to be the magic bullet that ensures a healthy old age, and who wouldn't want that? Those living long lives generally exercise on a very regular basis, at a moderate level. Our social lives and connections affect our physical well-being, and thus our longevity, in many important ways. Friendships and connection with others are vital for our health and longevity. Social media doesn't really count. Maintaining a healthy social network can help you live up to 50% longer. Less risk of chronic disease and less stress. Just a few of the reasons why you should socialize with friends and go out. If you want to live longer, retain a strong sense of purpose into old age. Keeping your brain active will increase feelings of self-worth and value, both important for good health. Try doing puzzles, crosswords, spelling bee and wordle. As well, focus on a sense of optimism and kindness, as these are just as important as diet and exercise. Studies have shown that happier individuals are more likely to live longer lives than their miserable counterparts. It's not rocket science, but smoking carries with it a very high risk of premature death. Heavy smokers may lose up to 10 years of their life. People quitting smoking, at whatever age, can add years to their life. Too little sleep has been linked to inflammation, obesity and a higher risk of disease. But too much sleep has been linked to depression and certain health conditions. Maintaining a regular routine of 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night will have an impact on your lifespan. These habits help you live longer with a better quality of life while you're doing so.